Yeah, competition for fireworks.
Oh, they're gonna let him. They're letting him.
They're letting him?
Yeah. Ready?
The neighbor says, whoa.
You don't get to see these?
Ah, it only films for 30 seconds.
Mine goes for like 20 minutes tops.
I think they shot it done. Whoa.
No, watch over here. Are you gonna put that on Facebook?
No.
Okay.
I can only go in 30-second intervals.
Bug just bit me. I want them to set them off up there.
I know, me too. I'm gonna set it off. Here we get a view of both worlds. I don't know. I'm not going to speak. Light 'em up. Oh, calm down, Gabby. Are they lighting it?
I want them to. Oh, it's gonna be a big one.
It's gonna be a big one.
You ready? It's dangerous. It's gonna be a big one.
I'll put this on YouTube.
Mine lights up really good.
Yeah, this one's. Should name this.
Oh, Jarrett and Kendall should come out here.
We should name this "Why I Can't Sleep in My Town." Why I don't sleep in my town.
Come on. I can hear them going off.
Those are all the way across town.
Yeah.
People send them off everywhere now.
Yeah. You know they're legal in Auburn?
They're illegal or illegal?
They're illegal.
Illegal?
You can't set them off in Auburn.
Why?
I don't know. My mom just told me that.
Oh, I think they got a big one.
They got the finale thing. They have like 4 packages
bar?
of those. They're gonna set them off on 4th of July, I think.
Hey, hurry up. Erase.
You can hear the packages.
Oh! Erase!
Hurry, watch. There's gonna be like 6 at a time.
Are they lighting them?
I gotta take this case off because the flaps get in the way.
Oh,
Somebody
light
just
'em.
shut off.
I know.
Mine's 3 minutes and 40 seconds long. Oh, I think they're setting them off. Ready? I can hear some of them. I can see some. Oh, they're working on it.
Are they gonna light them?
I think so. There's somebody over there. This is my pocket.
Once I see the sparks. So
I
can
think
see the
yours
sparks
just
in the
shut
camera.
off.
Mine's.
It stopped recording.
Yeah, I know. I know. I'm waiting for them to light it before I start recording.
Oh, there's a car coming. I think it's your dad. No, your dad's here. Oh, Tom.
Ow.
Oh, I hope this doesn't stop recording. Back up.
Oh, it's not ready yet. Dude, the guy stopped in his truck watching. Holy.
Dude, he's back.
That's sick, man.
Oh, I think they're all done.
I
Really in the need of that.
I know, right? My poor dog runs inside. You get scared to death.
They're the same ones that are doing it all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Every night. Every night.
But these ones are cool. These ones are actually real ones.
Yeah, usually it's just the bang, bang, bang ones. These actually have colors.
They're firecrackers they set off before.
Yeah.
Yeah, my poor